everyone, welcome back to another recipe video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious summery vegetable and tofu skewers, and this is going to be part of a 3-video series where each recipe for the next 3 days are going to be for one dish. So today it's the skewers, tomorrow we are going to have the most delicious peanut satay sauce to go with it, and then the next day a lemon and herb quinoa. Okay, so today let's get on with the vegetable and tofu skewers. So we're going to get on with making the marinade first, because this is obviously going to make all of the vegetables taste so delicious. So I've got some teriyaki sauce here, so that's going to go into a large bowl, and also some tamari. These flavours together are just all so delicious. Now I also have some liquid smoke. This is optional if you don't have this. My friend basically used some the other day and I thought it was amazing, so since then I've just been loving adding this to any kind of like barbecue flavours, anything grilled. Just adds a really delicious smoky flavour. And then onto some spices, so we've got the smoked paprika and then some dried basil and some coconut oil. So that's our marinade. I'm going to set that aside, and as we chop the vegetables, I'm just going to put them straight in the bowl so they're instantly marinating in that sauce. With the vegetables, we're just going to cut them into equally sized chunks. I mean, it can be rough, it really doesn't need to be anything too specific. Okay, so now we are just going to use some bamboo skewers to start adding all of these vegetables onto there. Just going to drizzle over a bit more of that marinade sauce, and then we're good to grill these. Okay, so these are going in the grill. I'm putting them on a medium heat. Everyone's grills are different, so I would say just keep an eye on them. You want them to be nice and crispy, vegetables fully cooked, but obviously not too absolutely charred. These also work amazingly on the barbecue. And there we have it, vegetable and tofu skewers, perfect to go with the satay sauce that's coming tomorrow and the herbed lemon quinoa. So I really hope you enjoy making these recipes, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.